Morning, children. So under this main heading non-fiction, we have actually discussed these text features. We have spoken about glossary yesterday. And what's glossary? Glossary is usually found at the end of an informational text. Okay, this is a book which gives us the information about the undersea animals. That's the title page, and this is the contents page. Okay, so contents means the topics which are listed in the book. Okay, most of the times you will find glossary listed here in the contents list if the glossary is available there in the book. Okay, so let's see, does this book has a glossary? Yes. And on which page? Page number 30. So what's a glossary? Glossary, as I said, is a kind of dictionary that lists all the important words which are there in the topic, okay, or in the book. Okay, and then it helps the readers with its meaning, explanation or description. Okay, so glossary is called as a mini dictionary as well. Alright, because it helps the readers to learn new words which were there under that topic or in the book. Alright, and where do we find glossary? We find glossary at the end of the non-fiction book. Yes. Alright, so this is glossary, and I'm sure you would have understood glossary now, right? Okay, so today we'll move on to our next text feature, which is labels, captions and diagrams. All right, so first of all, let's try to understand what a diagram is. Shall we take the examples from yesterday's lesson? Yesterday I had given you an example like this. Just a second, let me remove this here. Okay, how does a battery make a bulb light up? This was the informational text I had given you yesterday, right? Now if I ask you people to make a diagram of it, how would you make that? You'll make it this way. Okay, that's a diagram. So what is a diagram, children? Diagram means a picture representation. Okay, so what's a diagram? If I ask you, how would you answer that question? So see, how does a battery make a bulb light up? Okay, that's an information which is given. Now to support this information, to make it more easier for the readers to understand, the information text is supported by a diagram. Now what's a diagram? It's a drawing or a picture that has labels showing important parts. Okay, so that's a picture. It's a drawing, okay, and it shows important parts. So see, we know in a circuit there's a battery, there's a positive and a negative end, there are wires, okay, there's a bulb. All right, do we know this? And this is a complete circuit because the wires are not broken. Okay, that's a complete circuit. And see, it says simple electric circuit. So what's a diagram? Again, diagram is a drawing or a picture that has labels. Now what are labels? Label means words, okay, one or two words which tells us about the parts in the picture. Okay, these labels, they are telling about the parts in this picture. Like this is a light bulb, okay, this is a wire, that's a battery. Okay, and so do you understand what labeling means? Labeling means when you label the parts of a picture. Okay, so label are one or two words instead of sentences. Okay, so just one or two words, and these one and two words, they tell you about the parts of the picture. Okay, like in this diagram, that's a diagram, a picture which you have made along with the labels. So you made a battery, you labeled it. Okay, you made a wire, you labeled it. All right, okay. And then there's something called caption. Now what's a caption? Caption is an information under a photograph, you can say, or a picture. So this is a diagram, okay, that's a diagram, right? Now labels are also there, but then how will I give more information about this diagram? How would people know what this diagram is all about? So there's a caption here, simple circuit, either there or it's generally written below the picture or the diagram. Okay, so do you understand this now? So a simple what is a diagram? Diagram is a drawing or a picture that has labels. Okay, it's labels showing its important parts. Whatever the important parts of these diagrams are, that's been labeled. You write the name. Okay, you tell what is it. That's called labeling. And caption is actually an information under the picture or photograph or diagram which tells you more about this diagram. So it's a simple electric circuit. So when you look at this diagram without this caption, we'll not be able to understand. Even this is a caption. Okay, if I just put this here and I tell you to tell me this diagram is of what, it will be a bit difficult, right? So a caption is written so that it gives us an information about the picture, illustration, diagram, okay, or drawing. Do you understand now? Okay, let's take another example. So this is another diagram here. Okay, I'm just hiding it and you tell me what will be its caption. So there's a sun, okay, and there's earth. It's labeled, see, earth, day and night, and this is the diagram. What do you think this diagram is all about? What will be its caption? Yes, caption would be rotation and revolution. So the earth is rotating and it's also revolving. Or another caption could be how days and nights are formed. Okay, this is how days and nights are formed. See, the part of the earth towards the sun is getting the light and the heat, so it's daytime here, and the other part is dark, so it's nighttime here. So the caption could be how days and nights are formed, rotation and revolution of the earth around the sun. Okay, so now do you understand what's a diagram and what is label? Labeling is this: when you label the parts of the picture. So sun, so you're labeling it as sun. Earth, you're labeling it as earth. You're labeling day, you're labeling night. This is called, and this is orbit. Okay, the path on which the earth revolves around the sun is called orbit. Okay, and the caption is a sentence or maybe two sentences which tell you more about the picture or photograph or illustration. Let's take few more examples. I'm sure you understood diagram because we have been doing diagram in science a lot now, right? And labeling also you understand, right? So we'll take few more examples of caption here. Let me see if I get few pictures of. Alright, so here we are. Just a second, I'm sorry I lost that page. Okay, see, this is a picture, a photograph rather, of a coin, and see, this is a caption. It's not labeled. Okay, nobody has written eyes, nose, lips, nothing. Okay, it's a caption. Why is it a caption? Because this sentence is telling or giving us information about this picture, about this photograph. Okay, like what is it written? A coin showing Alexander the Great. So that's a photograph of a coin, a picture of a coin. Okay, so this is called a caption. Captions are always written in sentences, one or two sentences. All right, let's take another example. Okay, see here. Could you see this? Again, this is a caption or a label? That's a caption. Lion capital at Sarnath. Okay, so this is a caption telling more about this picture. So it's telling us what this picture, it's giving us the information about this picture. So that's a caption. Is it a diagram? Does it have labels? No, it's a picture which gives us the caption. Alright children, I hope you have understood labels, captions and pictures now. Labels, diagrams and captions. Yes, see, Sachi Stupa. So that's a building. It's a photograph of a building. And what building is this? Sachi Stupa. Okay, so this is a caption. This is giving you an information about this picture. It's not a diagram. They haven't labeled it as right pillar, top pillar, nothing like that, right? They just have written a sentence or words saying it's Sachi Stupa. Got it? So what's a caption? Caption means an information under a photograph. So whenever there's an information under a photograph which tells more about that photograph is called caption. Like another example of caption is here. Here's a park and that's a picture. So the municipal corporation builds and maintains public parks. So this picture is showing that municipal corporation builds and maintains public parks. So this caption is giving us more information about this picture. All right, children? All right, thank you then.